Let's learn English through short conversations on a university campus. With vocabulary and listening questions. Teamwork.
Morning, you look alive today.
You look even better. Are you ready to talk about the semester project?
Yes, I'm ready. We need to make groups, right?
Yes. How many people should be in one group?
Maybe 5 people.
5. I think that's too many. It's hard to work with 5.
Maybe, but more people means less work for each.
That's true, but I prefer smaller groups. 3 or 4 is better.
Okay, let's go with 4. That sounds good.
Okay, do you want to be in the same group with me?
Sure, let's work together.
Great! Should we ask Anna to join us too?
Yes, that's a good idea. She is so good at presentations. We need her.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Semester. A part of the school year, usually 4 to 6 months. Project. A task or assignment that students do. Group. A set of people working together. Your listening question is: how many people do they want in a group? Answer: they want 3 or 4 people in a group. Lunchtime.
Hey there, I'm starved. Let's go to the canteen. I want to try something new today.
Yeah, I need some protein. I think I will get the chicken rice again.
Again, you always eat chicken rice. Let's try the spaghetti today.
Why, I really like chicken rice. New food can hurt my stomach.
Just try a little. If it's not good, we can share.
Okay, you win. Let's try the spaghetti.
Great, let's get it.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Canteen. The place at school where students eat. Spaghetti. A long, thin pasta from Italy. Share. To use or eat something together with someone. Your listening question is: what new food do they decide to try? Answer: they decide to try the spaghetti. Choosing course.
Morning, have you done with choosing your courses for next semester? I think I will take 4 classes.
Only 4. I want to take 6.
6. That's too many. Do you even have time to relax and go out and eat and sleep?
Maybe, but I want to finish early. I also like to study.
Good for you, Ben. Just don't push yourself too far. What classes do you want to take?
I want to take Introduction to Linguistics, English Grammar, Academic Writing, and British Literature, and to more.
Same here. I will also take English Grammar, British Literature, and Pronunciation Practice.
Pronunciation practice sounds fun. Maybe I will try it too.
Great, we can be in the same class.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Course. A subject you study at school or university. Semester. A part of the school year, usually 4 to 6 months. Relax. To rest or take a break. Your listening question is: how many classes does the male student want to take? Answer: he wants to take 4 classes. Going to a sport match.
Hey, are you going to the school football match this weekend? I heard we are going against our university's biggest opponent. It's going to be fun.
I'm not sure. I'm a bit busy on Sunday.
Come on, man, it's just one game. You love football.
That's true, but I also have homework.
You can do homework on Saturday. The match is on Sunday.
Maybe you're right. Who is playing?
I heard Tony, Steve, and Bruce are all joining.
Okay, it sounds worth watching.
See that? Let's go. I have bought us 2 seats in the front row.
Hey, why did you buy the tickets before talking to me?
Let's look at the vocabulary. Match. A game between 2 teams. Homework. Schoolwork you do at home. Practice. To do something again and again to get better. Your listening question is: why does the second student not want to go at first? Answer: because he is busy and has homework. Research essay topic.
Bran, have you chosen a topic for the group literature essay?
Not yet. I'm so lost. I was thinking about writing about drama.
Drama? That's a bit difficult, don't you think?
Maybe, but I like plays. They are so fun to read.
I understand, but I prefer poetry. It's shorter and more emotional.
I think poetry is hard to understand.
Not all poems. We can choose a simple one.
That's true. Or we can write about a short novel. Novel is both short and fun.
A novel is fine, but can we still look into some drama and poems first?
Good point. We have to do research before making a final call.
Great, we can decide after reading them.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Poetry. A kind of writing that uses beautiful or strong language, often in short lines. Drama. A story written to be acted on stage. Novel. A long story in book form. Your listening question is: what kind of literature does the female student prefer? Answer: she prefers poetry. Field trip plan.
I am literally so excited about the trip this weekend.
Haha, it has been such a long time since we had a trip. The lake is a really good choice for a picnic.
I know. I think we can play games and have lunch by the water.
Sounds fun. Can we boys bring a ball to play soccer?
I don't think there's enough space for soccer. How about badminton or some group games?
Okay, badminton is a good idea. The girls also love badminton. What food should we bring?
I will bring sandwiches and fruit.
I can bring drinks and some snacks.
Great, and we need a big mat to sit on.
I have one, I'll bring it. Do we need music?
Of course, bring your speaker.
I will have to ask my brother, but he will agree anyway, I hope.
I know I can count on you.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Picnic. A meal taken outside, usually in nature. Lake. A large area of water surrounded by land. Mat. A small piece of cloth or plastic to sit on the ground. Your listening question is: who will the male student have to ask for the speaker? Answer: he will have to ask his brother. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.